Hi, and welcome to this quick tip with VPS2day. In this video, I will show you how to get your own dedicated Outline VPN server up and running in just a few minutes. If you don't know Outline yet, it's a proxy tool specifically designed to circumvent internet censorship in certain countries like China or Iran. Its protocol is built in a way that it's much harder to detect than common VPN and proxy solutions like WireGuard or OpenVPN. Before we start, you will need to have the Outline Manager application installed on your computer. This application is available for Windows, Linux, and macOS and will be used to configure users for your Outline server. You can find the download link down below in the description. I will also assume that you already have your VPS2day account set up and charged with some prepaid balance. If you don't have a VPS2day account yet, just go to vps2day.com and click Sign Up. Now to get started with Outline, go to Server and click Order Server. Here you can now choose from one of our data center locations. To minimize latency between your client and your Outline server, you should choose a country that is geographically near you, unless you have a specific reason not to do so. I want to get a server in Spain. Next, under the image selection, change to the VPN tab and select Outline. Luckily, Outline doesn't really have much requirements in terms of CPU and memory resources. In order to get started, you can easily stick to our cheapest plan. If you decide to prepay your server for 3 months or more, we will give you a discount on the server as well. When you're done, just click Order Now at the bottom of the page. Now, in order to add your new Outline server to your Outline Manager application, you will need to acquire its initial setup key. You can find that key by clicking on your server and switching to the Application tab. Here you can click Copy to copy the initial setup key into your clipboard. Now that you have copied your initial setup key, you can open the Outline Manager application on your computer. To add your freshly installed Outline server to the Outline Manager, click on the Setup button on the bottom right tile that is titled Advanced Set up Outline Anywhere. Then, in the following step, you can safely ignore the first field. Just paste the initial setup key you just copied from the Application tab of your VPS2day server into the second field and click Done. Immediately afterward, your server is already added in the Outline Manager and you can start to add access keys for the users you want to let use your Outline VPN. To add a new key, simply click Add New Key, give it a name so you can easily recognize it, and share the access key with your friends, family, or co-workers. This can be done by clicking the Share icon right next to the key name. It will show you a generic invitation letter where it is explained how to install the Outline client. At the bottom of the modal, there's a so-called access key. This is the only thing you need in order to connect your laptop, computer, or mobile device to your Outline VPN server. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.